Hello, everybody, and thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to attend our presentation. I'm excited to be able to share this valuable information with you today, and I hope that you get equally excited as you learn more about our proven system and the potential it has to change your life. I can't wait to tell you about America's best residual income system. It doesn't matter how you ended up here, all that matters is that you are here and you are getting ready to learn about our simple and proven residual income system. Some of you are probably wondering, what is residual income exactly? Well, residual income is when you continue to get paid after the initial work is done. Simply, you do the work one time and you continue to get paid again and again. Kind of the same as our monthly bills that we have to pay, right? They keep coming in every month, month after month after month. Whether it's rent, mortgage, utility bills like electric, gas, or water, a car payment, credit cards, personal loans, we all have bills that we have to pay every month. What if, just what if, I can show you a system that not only has been perfected over the last 16 years, but it is so simple that anyone can do it. This system not only creates extra income for you, but it creates residual income that you get every month, and that can help you with those monthly bills. If I show you how this simple and proven system can create extra income for you, are you ready to jump on board right now, today, and make a change in your life? If you are, then great. Are you ready to get excited? Then stick around and let me tell you about America's best residual income system. And again, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch our presentation. Let me tell you, this company is the simplest, most experienced, most profitable, and easiest to duplicate true residual income opportunity that you will ever find. A lot of this company's marketing is done through direct mail. Wait, before you even think it, direct mail is not dead. Though there has been a reduction in response rate for direct mail over the last 10 years, it's still holding strong. In its response rate report, the Direct Marketing Association, DMA, found that direct mail achieves a 4.4% response rate compared to a 0.12% for email. Did you get that? 4.4% versus 0.12%. Overall, the DMA found that direct mail's response rates are actually anywhere from 10 to 30 times higher than that of digital. It notes that consumers, overwhelmed by inboxes cluttered with unsolicited marketing emails, are more receptive to direct mail, which arrives on a much less cluttered channel. This information was obtained from Forbes.com. Even the most obvious junk mail in your mailbox has something that few marketing emails will ever possess: the reality factor. We've all seen it, we've received it, we've opened it, we've saved it, we've thrown it away for pretty much our whole lives. It has weight, substance, and dimension. Mail is a constant. According to the United States Postal Service, direct mail remains one of the largest advertising channels with U.S. businesses. 81% of people read or scan their mail daily. 79% of consumers find reading mail more convenient than going online. 42% of 25 to 34-year-olds said they read mail immediately and find it useful. 58% of households with incomes over $65,000 purchased from direct mail. Look at the direct mail response rate as found on the USPS.com website. Postcards have a 3.99% response rate. Postcards are one of the main marketing materials for the company I'm about to share with you. It's easy to see the opportunities that direct mail will continue to provide savvy marketers and business owners. Our main advertising venue is full-color postcards and sales letters that are put into prospects' hands either by direct mail and/or distributing them personally. And there's also a marketing system in place that does all the telling and selling for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. All you have to do is get the information into people's hands and let the system do the rest. We pay residual commissions and send out paychecks every Friday. Doesn't that get you excited? It really should. Without further ado, I would like to introduce you to American Bill Money, also known as ABM, and give you some history along with the details of how ABM works. First thing I want to say is thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to listen and learn about how you can benefit financially by being a customer affiliate of American Bill Money. ABM was founded in 2003 and was created to provide ambitious adult Americans with a simple way to produce an ongoing residual income from the comfort of their home without having to speak to anyone or doing anything crazy. All you do is remain an active customer of ABM and distribute and/or mail our beautiful full-color postcards and sales letters. Basically, you do the advertising, we do the rest. Our postcards and sales letters do all the telling and selling for you, and our staff answers any of the questions people may have, and we take the orders for you 24/7. Commission checks are mailed once a week for the prior week. We pay a huge 60% commission, which is $75 a month per referral, infinitely wide and infinitely deep. With our new 3-up profitable pay plan and simple system, ABM is a true no-brainer. ABM is in the business of selling advertising, and we specialize in selling direct mail leads of income opportunity seekers and buyers on peel and stick mailing labels that can be used for any program and may be used more than once. Since opportunity seekers and buyers are the type of consumers we sell a mailing list of, it only made sense to offer an affiliate program where our ABM customers not only zero out the cost of their purchase with us, but can actually be in profit with only 2 referrals using our simple, ready-to-go system that you're looking at right now. This system provides people with a simple way to produce an ongoing residual income from the comfort of their home. All you need to do is remain an active customer and market ABM in any of several ways, including distributing and/or mailing our beautiful full-color postcards and sales letters, classified advertising in local or national newspapers, advertising online via social media or videos, or any other creative way that you can think of. ABM's automated system does all the telling and selling for you, and whenever someone you refer becomes an American Bill Money customer, you get paid a huge 60% commission every month that referral remains an active customer. American Bill Money just simply works. American Bill Money's residual income system includes the services and tools of our automated sales process, which consists of the company website that explains everything about American Bill Money to your prospects 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to. A company toll-free voicemail and capture page system to collect your prospects' information and get all the details into their hands, either by postal mail or email, and follow up with them as well. The home office answers all the questions from your prospects for you, so you don't have to. Live operators based here in Virginia and our company website take orders from your prospect 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we accept all major credit cards, debit cards, personal checks, and money orders. American Bill Money is only available in the United States. And we are a professionally managed, American-owned, and debt-free company. Our mission is to help as many adult Americans earn as much as possible with America's #1 residual income system. Now that you know a little bit about American Bill Money, let me tell you how you can become an American Bill Money customer affiliate. Our monthly auto ship package is $125 a month, and it pays out a $75 commission every month to your sponsor. With this package, you are buying 150 fresh leads of opportunity seekers and buyers on peel and stick mailing labels each month, along with our automated system, including company websites, toll-free numbers, and home office support. There are no marketing materials included with the auto ship package. Our beautiful full-color postcards and sales letters can be purchased as low as $149 for 1,000 postcards or sales letters. Additional leads can also be purchased as low as $49 for 500 leads on peel and stick mailing labels. We also have personalized websites and capture pages available as low as $99. There's also an advertising co-op that is just $250 per share. Ask us for more details about that after you join. ABM also has a prepay option that includes free postcards. You can prepay for 6 months for $750 and get 1,000 postcards included for free. Or you can prepay for 1 year for $1,500 and get 2,500 postcards included for free. This prepay option replaces the monthly auto ship. You will not have to pay the $125 every month if you take advantage of either of the prepay options. You will still get your 150 leads sent to you every month. You must call our office to get the complete details of how you can take advantage of the prepay options. We will provide you detailed instructions to get this prepay deal with the free postcards. Again, this prepay option is only available by calling our office. Now, let me show you the money. ABM has a new 3-up compensation pay plan. Everyone you personally refer to ABM, except for your 3rd, 7th, and 12th, that's the 3-up, pays you a $75 commission every single month. This means you keep your first 2 referrals, and that covers your $125 monthly auto ship cost. You then pass up your 3rd referral to your sponsor. You will then get to keep your next 3 referrals, your 4th, 5th, and 6th, and then you'll pass up your 7th referral to your sponsor. And you keep your next 4 referrals, your 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. And then you pass up your 12th referral to your sponsor. That's it for the pass-ups. You keep every personal referral from your 13th one on to infinity. Where it really gets exciting is that your personal referrals, except for the ones you passed up, they're going to also have to pass up their 3rd, 7th, and 12th referral to you. This goes on infinitely deep, and there is no limit to the levels of duplication you can get paid on. Once you fully grasp the profit potential this represents, it is hard not to get excited and put a smile on your face. So let me ask you now, are you excited? If you can comprehend the potential of a 3-up pay plan, then there is no way you're not excited. Again, our 16-year-old proven system is so very simple. Just join and get our beautiful marketing materials into people's hands and let us do the rest. So remember, all your referrals, except for the 3rd, 7th, and 12th, no matter how many people you refer, you get a 60% commission residually every month from them. And all these people each pass up their 3rd, 7th, and 12th referrals to you. And each of them will all pass up their 3rd, 7th, and 12th referrals to you, and so on and so on and so on. This process can go on forever, which is what we call infinitely deep, and you get paid 60% commission on all of them. Don't worry though, we keep track and manage all of this for you and provide genealogy reports with every check. You are simply going to love doing business with ABM. The earning potential of our compensation plan is truly staggering, and it has helped many adult Americans gain the money they need to help with their bills, and will no doubt help many more. That's why we chose the name American Bill Money, because it helps Americans earn more money to pay their bills. Let ABM help you obtain the financial freedom you seek and deserve. Your first goal in any business venture is to break even, cover the costs, and get into profit. Just 2 referrals, including pass-ups in ABM, earns you $150 a month, and this will cover your $125 monthly auto ship. In fact, just 10 referrals, including pass-ups, will earn you $750 a month, or $9,000 a year. Just 40 referrals, including pass-ups, will earn you $3,000 a month, or $36,000 a year. And with only 112 referrals, including any pass-ups, you will be earning 6 figures, $8,400 a month, or over $100,000 a year. These are examples of the power of our pay plan. Actual income is not stated or guaranteed. Your income will vary based on your time and effort put into the business. We will issue 1099s for any income earned that exceeds $600 in any calendar year. Think about this. You already accept the fact that a majority of all your bills are residual. They keep coming in and have to be paid month after month, pretty much forever, right? So why shouldn't you be pursuing a simple way, such as ABM, to have the residual income you need to take care of those nagging bills, instead of just relying on what your employer is willing to pay you for your time, which we all know is never enough. Now that you've learned all about our proven system and heard all the information and details, aren't you excited? The only thing left to do is take action right now. Really, there are 3 simple steps to start making a change in your life. The first step is, of course, click the link and join ABM today. That's probably the most difficult one. Once you take that step, the rest is easy. Next, just order your choice of postcards and/or sales letters. You'll see the link at the top of the sign-up page. Then simply start promoting. You can mail the postcards, and our staff will handle all the information fulfillment and follow-up for all your prospects. Or you can mail the sales letter by itself, or even with a postcard, and then your prospects will have all the details right up front. You can also just hand out the postcards, and our staff will do the follow-up for all of your prospects. Another way is to get one of our capture pages and promote it online through social media, solo ads, videos, YouTube, or many of the other online marketing methods. It really is that simple. Again, the hardest part in all of this is really the ability to make that decision to get started. But remember, just 2 referrals, including pass-ups, and you'll be in profit, and it will be paying for itself. So don't procrastinate. Don't make excuses. Don't say, one day I could have, should have, would have. Everything is in place right now and ready for you. Are you ready for ABM? I think you're ready. So click the link, join, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you.